Hey everyone, welcome to Jaga's Kitchen and Vlogs, the Palace of Recipes. Today we're going to be making a special biryani. And that is, before I tell you that, please subscribe to our channel and like this video, share it, and comment on it. And comment your special recipes or recipes you want to see on this channel. Anyways, the recipe for today is Mutton KHEEMA biryani. And it is just amazing. I cannot describe it with words. It's just amazing. And hot. It's like mouth-watering, melting in your mouth, and just the flavor. It's just undescribable. And the mutton, it's like it's not there, but it's there. The flavor is just amazing. 1 spoon and I'm blown away. So let's get started. So unfortunately the marination process has not been recorded. So what you do is in a bowl add the keema, then add curd 2 tablespoons, chili powder 2 teaspoons, salt to taste, lemon juice half piece, garam masala 1 teaspoon, and you mix it up and rest it aside for 30 minutes, and that's the marination process. So yeah, do it correctly and you'll have a nice biryani. Then add some oil into a pot and then add the marinated mutton keema. So just add it into the pot and yeah. Then fry it well. Now that it is cooked well, keep it aside. Now in a cooker, add oil 4 teaspoons and 2 teaspoons ghee. Now add all biryani spices. Now add onions and green chili. Now fry it well. Now we add the cooked keema. Now mix it well. Now add washed basmati rice half kg. Now mix gently. Now add required water. Now also add coriander and mint leaves. Now add garam masala 2 teaspoons. Now close the lid and keep glass on top of it. Cook on low flame. Now that's it. Serve and enjoy. I hope you guys like this recipe. Guys, this is the end of the video. Please give a like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more notifications. Thank you so much for watching.